Let's go over the utensils and pots that we're going to need to make this dish. We're going to be making a vegetable stock, so we're going to need a small pan right here. We're actually going to be pouring that over our au gratin potatoes. We're going to be using this saute pan or frying pan to cook first our onions and our apples, and then our pork chop, and then we'll be adding our cream and our other spices. I'm going to cook that down until it thickens. We're going to be having a second one. This is also where we're going to saute, this time with butter, the other half of our onions and apples, and that's going to go in our gratin. We're going to need a baking sheet, and we're going to be cooking bacon because that is also going to go in our au gratin. And we're going to be using this casserole dish to make that. So after we add our sweet potatoes, our onions, and our apples, we'll also be taking some breadcrumbs and some cheese and pouring that over the top and then baking it up. We're going to be using this small bowl to be mixing up our onions and apples with a little bit of flour before we put it back here in our dish. We're going to be using a knife to cut our vegetables and our pork. We're also going to be using this spatula here to take our gratin out at the end, a spoon to stir up the veggies, a fork to move our pork. We're going to use a peeler for our sweet potato, some measuring cup and a measuring spoon, as well as a cutting board. And because we're going to be using raw pork, we're going to be using these gloves.